something that is deeply personal, something that is an iceberg where you can chip away at it, but it's essentially bottomless. You're never going to get to the bottom of it, where mastery is a goal, but you'll probably never reach it. Because having that experience of developing over decades and looking back and saying, wow, I really used to know nothing about this. And now I can do something beautiful. It doesn't have to be a physical representation, or it can be something that you're creating beauty. You're making your life or other people's lives a more rich experience. And that it's a continuous process that you will always have. It gave me at times hard times in personal or professionally where I was really struggling or dealing with self-doubt. I always could have like, well, I always have the piano, and like, maybe it's not going to pay for me to have a living, but somebody could say something really negative or hurtful, or I would have a lot of doubt. I had this confidence internally that it essentially nothing really mattered, because I had this thing that was so strong that made me who I am. And I tell people when I meet them, it's like, I'm a technologist. I work in products or sales, but that's not who I am. I'm a musician. And I think that for me, I've been able to define who I am by what I love. And so my career has often kind of followed this path of having a job that gives me the personal flexibility to keep up on what it is music is what matters to me. I just work to make it all work, and to have a family. But yeah, having that thing, find that thing, what it is that it's going to drive you beyond the professional development. I hope that everybody can find that in themselves.